So next I'm going to use the diode. And notice on the board, right there, the diode is telling you which direction it should be placed. So I'm going to place the end with the little gray stripe, hopefully in the correct direction, like that, and push it downwards. Okay, and then I will kind of flex the legs out on the other side to keep it from falling through. And then just solder those legs in. And this is very convenient because if you end up globbing too much solder on, you can just walk the solder up the legs and then cut them off with your wire cutters. All right, so I just got a pair of wire cutters. We're going to cut those down to size. So this piece is a little interesting, but I'm going to handle it more or less in the same way I've been handling all the other pieces. I'm going to put my soldering iron on the piece and also touching the conducting area around the piece. And then I'm just going to kind of feed the solder in so that like all the surfaces are touching. So the solder is touching the conducting surface around it, as well as touching the part, as well as touching the soldering iron. Oh, that could use a little more solder. And you can see we've got a nice solid connection there like that. I'm just going to do the same for the others. And there we go. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and attach the Arduino Nano. Okay,